Today we will be folding a paper crane. Today we will be using square paper. I'm using colored double-sided paper. If you don't have this kind of paper, regular paper will work too. First, fold these two corners together. Unfold. Fold the top left corner to the bottom right corner. Unfold. Flip it over. Fold the top edge to the bottom edge. Unfold. Fold the left edge to the right edge and align them. Unfold. Then, flip it over. Pinch the middle points of both sides with both hands. Press down. Form a small square. Then fold this edge to the center line. Align it properly. Fold the left edge to the center line. Align both lines. Fold the top triangle down. Unfold. Flip it over. Fold this side the same way as before. Fold this edge to the center line. Align both lines. Fold the left edge to the center line and align it. Then unfold. Flip up this layer. Like this. Flip it over. Open it and fold up. Now it looks like this. Rotate it. Fold this point to the center. Fold the bottom point to the center. Flip it over. Fold the top point to the center point. Fold the bottom point to the center point. Now it forms this shape. Then fold like this. Fold the bottom point to the top point. Flip it over. Fold the bottom point to the top point and align. Pick it up. Flip it like this. It should look like this now. Rotate it. Pinch the green and blue corners. Pull to both sides. Make the middle part bulge. Fold the head down. The paper crane is now complete. It looks prettier if you use colored paper. If you like it, please subscribe to us. See you next time.